All right, let's look at the multiplication principle. All right, let's say you have a whole bunch of operations. Let's call it maybe operation 1, operation 2, and so on. And maybe there are n operations to perform. All right. And each operation, there's going to be a number of outcomes. So number of outcomes for operation 1, I'm going to call it the N1. And the number of outcomes in operation 2, I'm going to call it the N2. And all the way to number of outcomes in operation N is NN. All right. Then if you want to find the total number, so if you want to find the total number of outcomes, right, performing all n operations would be simply you just multiply n1 and n2 n3 and so on all the way to n sub n, right? So this is called the multiplication principle. Right, so let's look at this simple example here. A delicatessen serves meat sandwiches with the following options. Right, so operation 1, choose the bread. So we have to pick the bread. So you can think of this as operation 1. All right, then there are 3 kinds of bread. Right. And then, so this is going to be basically N1, right? Then operation 2, we have to choose meat. So here's a meat. And there are 5 kinds of meat. So N2 would be 5, right? Then we choose either lettuce or sprouts. So this is going to be operation 3. So this is lettuce or sprouts. Right? And assuming that we have to pick one of each, so actually, so N3 would be 2, right? We have to pick either one. All right, so how many different sandwiches are possible, assuming that the one item is used out of each category, right? But this is easy, right? So it's going to be number of sandwiches would be N1 times N2 times N3 according to multiplication principle. So you have 3 times 5 times 2, so that would be 30, right? So there would be 30 different sandwiches are possible, right? So this is the simple application of multiplication principle, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.